Hey, it's your girl Z Lachey. Welcome to Lachey's Ways. In this video, I'll be showing you all how to shape and groom your eyebrows right at home. So I have a spoolie. I'm going to start by brushing my eyebrows up and shaping them into the desired shape that I want. With this NYX Micro brow pencil, I'm gonna go ahead and outline the desired shape that I want my eyebrows to be. This will also help me see where I want to put the Nair. Tell me what you want, anything I can tell what happened last night. Now I'm just going to go in with my Nair facial cream and apply it right under my brows where I want the hair gone. I apply it with the angle brush. You could use a clean concealer brush, anything that'll get you right up under your brows to remove that unwanted hair. And I'm kind of putting it on as if I'm doing concealer to shape my brows. So just take your brush and shape your brows out with the Nair. After 5 minutes, I'm just gonna go ahead and wipe that Nair off with the warm, wet washcloth. I do recommend that you do a skin test just in case you are allergic to the facial Nair. Now I'm just going back in with that spoolie to brush my hairs up to see the longer hairs on my eyebrows, and then just shape my brows out a little more with these little scissors. You want to have a real steady hand for this, because if you mess up, it will change the shape of your brows. Now I'm gonna take this little eyebrow razor and just kind of go down and just remove any unwanted hairs that I'm seeing or any stubble that the Nair didn't remove. You want to make sure you have a clean razor, so you can like clean it off with a cotton swab with alcohol, or I like to use witch hazel. And then I'm gonna go in with some tweezers and just continue to remove unwanted hairs and just really groom my brows. Can't waste any time now. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want. Finally, when my brows are how I want them to look, I go in with some Rose Water Witch Hazel by Thayer's and just clean through my brows, make sure everything looks good. And that's it. That's literally how I groom and shape my brows when they're looking rough. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you did, put a thumbs up. And if you have any questions or comments, comment down below. Thank you. All a bad bitch need is I got pants in the coop, pussing at the roof. I got pants in the coop.